You mentioned in the past that you deal with imposter syndrome. I think really everyone in tech does. If you're not dealing with imposter syndrome, you're likely overconfident in your capabilities. Continues, being the SQL guru that you are, do you still have doubts when it comes to SQL Server? If so, how do you manage those thoughts? Um, One of the best things that Paul Randall ever taught me was be very comfortable saying, I don't know. If there's something that you don't know, just come out and flat out say, I don't know what the answer to that is, but here are the places that I would go and look for that answer. So then that way you can be honest with your audience about where your expertise lies and where you have to go digging for additional data. I'm very comfortable saying I don't know. So, for example, SQL Server contains a lot of products in the box: integration services, analysis services, reporting services, service broker, replication. And these are all areas where I can very confidently say, I just don't know anything about those. I can point you to the people that I would talk to about them. But if you're hiring me for that, you're making a bad decision for those particular features. I think the thing that a lot of full-time database administrators and database developers struggle with is they believe that they're not allowed to say, I don't know. And that drives them to feel more like an imposter because they get a lot of questions they don't know the answer to. I am totally comfortable getting questions that I don't know the answer to. After all, technology is huge and ever changing. Although I do find it kind of funny that with most of the questions in office hours, I tend to know the answers. That also indicates to me that y'all know well which kinds of questions you could ask me and which questions don't make as much sense for me.